So, good day everyone. Today I will explain how NOT gate it works. But before that, let's define what is NOT gate. NOT gate is also known as inverter. It's a fundamental digital logic gate with a single input and a single output that produces the logical opposite of its input. So, based on the picture, they also known as inverter because based on the picture it has a single here, that's why they called inverter. So this is the truth table of NOT gate. So if input is 0 or negative, rather the output will be positive, vice versa. If input is positive, the output will be negative. That NOT gate it works. So let's proceed to the diagram. So this is a diagram of NOT gate. So we use 7404 IC. So based on the diagram, they are 14 pins. So the 7 pin will be our ground and the 14 pin should be our source. So they are 6 NOT gate inside the IC. So let's focus in this NOT gate. So input A should be the first pin and our output should be the second pin. So let's do it in actual. So this is the pin 14 should be our source or the positive. So let's put wire in the 14 pins and in the positive. So our ground is in the 7 pin. So this, so our input A should be in the first pin and the output should be in the second pin. So here, and let's put LED beyond the resistor and we put ground beyond the LED. So this is the actual wirings of NOT gate.